Now I'm going to create our navigation for our website design. First, just double click the Photoshop. I will using a Photoshop CS3. Click File, then New, then type the width and height and name that you want. But for me, I'm going to type 800, and for the height is 500. Then click OK. Then go to Option tool and then choose the rectangular marquee tool and then drag. Then after that, you can color the navigator. Just choose the pane blanket tool and then you can choose any one that you want on the color, but then I'll choose the black color. Then okay, and then just right click, then after that just click from the rectangular marquee tool for create a new layer, and then go to the properties to create a new layer. Just click right, then that's it. Then back to the option tool and then choose the elliptical marquee tool and then drag again. Then choose again the color that you want. Just right click from the pane blanket tool. Now I'm going to choose the gradient tool. And then I will change the color. Just left click. Then choose the noise. Then choose the color. Then click OK. Then drag the cursor. Then just simply click back again to the optional tool by clicking the move tool. And then for the shortcut key to move the object, just press the Alt and the right key. And then just move. After that, you can choose other color from the style and then click the design that you want. And then just click to the outside. Then choose that back again to the option tool and choose the horizontal type tool. Just click and drag from the navigator and then type the text. Example is home. If the text does not read, you can change the color from the top. Then choose the color that you want. After you change the color, click to the option tool, the move tool, and then click to the outside. key to the outside. And then for the shortcut key to create a new text, just simply press the C, then create again a new text. I'm typing a consent. Then click again to the option tool. Just select the move tool and then press again the, the T from the keyboard and then create again a new text. Then type the B. I'm going to type a videos. Then back again to the option tool and then choose again the move tool. Then after you typing a text, now I'm going to crop the text and save as a GP. First, I'm going to use a roller for cropping a text. To the right. Another roller. Then before I'm going to crop this navigator, I'm going to save this file as the index for our navigator, for our website. I will choose the file from the menu. Just click file and then choose a save. And then I will file name index and then click for Diane's documents and then click save. And then okay. Then I'm going to back again to the option tool and then choose the crop tool and then drag. And after you drag the tool, the crop tool, just right click, then crop. Then back to the file and then save as, then file name. I'm going to file name as a home. Then choose the JPEG for the Rapid CSS. Then click save. Then okay. Then for the For the content in videos, just back again to the file and then open the index and then open the index and open with. Open with to the Adobe Photoshop CS3. Then press OK. Then open. Then after you open, just wait for a while. Then back again to the option tool and then choose again the crop tool and then apply to the navigator. Then right click again and then crop and then save as. Then I'm going to file name as a content. And for the format, I'll be choosing a JPEG. Then save. Then OK. And for the videos, just close the content and click no. Just open again the index. Then apply again for grabbing a navigator. Then save as. Then I'll file name as a videos. Then choose again the JPEG from the format. Then click save.